How to change color contrast setting on stock Android 15. In latest Android 15 version, you can see new color contrast settings for your display. By default set, to change it, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Now scroll. Make sure select the home screen tab at the top. Here you can find the color contrast option. Tap on it. Now here you can see default option, medium and high option. Here you can see how color contrast works. Higher contrast make text, buttons and icons stand out more. Choose the contrast that looks best for your screen display. Now select the medium. Here you can see changes how it looks on your device. So select high and you can see totally change display, reflection, color on your device. So select the option. Also enable high contrast text. That will change the text color to black or white. Maximize the contrast with the background you want to set. Just toggle on or toggle off it. That's it. If you like it, share it.